Environmental Balance 1. The Environment and Us, Questions and Answers. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The population of the world is now close to 600 crore. The Radhanagari sanctuary is known for bisons. In Madhya Pradesh, Devrais are known as Sharanvan. In Biodiversity Park, biodiversity is both preserved and studied. Mayani Lake has been declared a sanctuary for birds. Name the following. Number 1. Two national parks. Answer. Kaziranga National Park and Tadoba National Park. Number 2. Birds which migrate to Asia from Siberia. Answer. Flamingo. Number 3. The biggest Maldok sanctuary in Asia. Answer. Nanaj in Solapur district. Number 4. Village known for peacock population. Answer. Morachi Chincholi. State whether the following statements are true or false. Dead plants and animals are biotic components. Answer. False. It is necessary to conserve biodiversity. True. Pollution of water is a threat to aquatic plants and animals. True. The Maldok is also called a great Indian bustard. True. What's the solution? Rivers and lakes are filled with water hyacinth. Answer. Water hyacinth are formed in rivers and lakes due to pollution. That is mainly due to mixture of detergent in the water. To control it, water hyacinth should be removed and wastewater from households or washing clothes in water should be banned. Use your brain power. What would happen if no kites, birds are left in a particular region? Which living things would increase in number? Which would decrease? Answer. If no kites are left in a particular region, the number of birds, amphibian, small mammals, and earthworms would increase. Answer the following questions. What is meant by migration? Answer. Movement from one place to another for a short period of time or permanently is called migration. And next question. Describe the life cycle of birds. Birds lay eggs. The eggs are hatched, and after a few days, the small birds come out. They grow up in the nest. After 3-4 weeks, they become an adult bird and start laying eggs. Give two causes of air pollution. Answer. The two causes of air pollution are as follows. Fuels are burnt in vehicles, give out certain poisonous gases and smoke. Next point. Industries let out some poisonous gases into the air. For what purpose do we use land obtained by clearing forests? Answer. We use land for agriculture, housing, industry, and for building roads and railways by clearing forest. Classify the following as natural or man-made. They are soil, horse, stone, water hyacinth, book, sunlight, dolphin, pen, chair, water, cotton wool, table, trees, and bricks. So the natural material, so we can say it is classified as natural: horse, water hyacinth, sunlight, dolphin, water, trees, cotton wool. Man-made are soil, stone, book, pen, chair, table, brick. Thank you.